Bulls Bully, back at it on this again. Got my son Ace Moolah right here, he about to pop up. Ace Moolah right there. Got my son Lavi right here, smoking his blunt.
You know y'all see the bullshit.
I tell you already know. About to bust this for y'all. You rapping?
Yeah.
You rapping?
Team, we finally here. We getting money. You know, we have money with some Gucci and some clothing. We all about the dollars. Catch up with the money. What's gonna turn this up?
Back on this beat and I'm going ham. I'm about to hit you with the chopper bud and I come through smoking dimes of the loud. Your team can't see me cause I'm loud now. I got the goons on deck and we blowing loud. Sitting in the ice and yeah, you know we fucking blowing loud. Got the ashes blowing in the door cause I wanted some Gucci and Polo. I got my money up, I got my chicken right, and then I went and bought me some Nike flights. I got the Nike shirt and the Nike flights, but I rock LV every fucking night. I said, Boss Bully on the scene, nigga. I'm about to come on this shit in a clean, nigga. My bro smoking, ain't the fucking back niggas counting stacks, know about the fucking racks. He said, hats up, nigga. You don't wanna see us. We come through clean ya, clean with the fear. We shoot your team up with the gun and we bleed ya. He smoked dimes of the blue dreams and he loaded. We louded, smoking. You know we getting chicken. We got the goons getting them texts and we gripping. You know we shoot at you. You know we getting dollars. You know get that dollar is the team though. I said we rockin'. Gucci on his belt though. He got the Gucci on his motherfucking belt though. And I got the LV on my belt though. My bro got the Hermes on his fucking help, nigga. I said I'm about to go in and I'm going in. She getting chicken and we going fucking everywhere. I said I'm going. Blowing on the style, getting all these chicken in. Now I'm blowing on them loud. Said, yo, where the blunt at? I wanna see the blunt. I wanna smoke on the blue dreams. I need the blunt. I wanna go ham cause I'm going ham. Shooting at these niggas and you know I'm going ham. I said, driving in the Aston. You know I'm in the low top. You know I'm getting cream and we sitting in the low top. You know I'm getting dollars. You know get that dollar. You know get that dollar coming soon. 2013, nigga. We on scene, nigga. You know I'm coming for your head, no cream, nigga. I said I'm back on this beat, OC, nigga. I said I'm going deep and I'm in, nigga. I said I'm diving in the sea. I'm not a fucking child though. I stack big D's and it's all about the hot stuff. Getting every dollar. You know I'm going in and I'm going in this beat I'm going. I said niggas don't want me to stop. I'm going ham, nigga. I said I'm about to go chop, bam, nigga. I shoot the choppers up. I'm getting my dollars up. My bro sitting here, you know we get them dollars up. I said we mackin', sitting on this beat, nigga. With a blunt, nigga, niggas is steaming, nigga. With a blunt at. I wanna spit some balls. I wanna spit some balls. I wanna spit some balls. I said going in. About to go ham. I'm about to smoke the blunt and I'm about to go ham. I'm chewing shoppers in, I'm going motherfucking ham. Ace Moolah here. Loud low.
Nigga said big H, yeah, be the belt. Big double G and the LV belt. Yeah, no stand, no bragging, ho. But I'm just getting chicken. Like that chicken show. Why she acting like she don't know? That's the first $5.
Smoking on the loud back. I gave it to Lowry. You know I'm on the scene.
Wait, you gave it to me.
Crispy and clean. Oh, so hey.
Throw it.
You know we on the scene. She fucking up. She fucking it up. Why she gotta fuck it up? Big B's though. Big
At the end of
B's.
the day,